Good morning. Okay, so to my seniors that are finishing up their CDA, great question brought to me by India M, is how do I figure out to do resource collection V under tab H in your portfolio, is the individual assessment on a child. Okay, so the CDA in your CDA Essentials textbook that I hope most of you have at home, but if not, I'm going to try to take pictures of these forms. But on page 494, or if you have edition number 1, it'll be under the competency standard V functional area 12 program management. So look for these 2 pages under program management. You'll see here it says individual planning form. So you need to do this for one child of your choice. You have to explain that child's gross motor skills, fine motor, social emotional skills, language and literacy skills, math skills, science, social studies, skills in the arts. Then we move over to page 2. You have to explain the child's technology skills. Child socializes with. The child's interests are major strengths, area for growth, or areas for growth, sorry. Special needs supports if applicable. So if there's something that is already in the works, you should be able to ask the child's current lead teacher. And then early learning standards to work on. These would be using the ones from your lesson plans from the Ohio Early Learning Standards. And then goals for this planning period. Now, all of these, the Ohio Early Learning Development Standards, which the link is on your lesson plan forms on Google Classroom as well, they explain most of these areas, and you can use those as a checklist to say, yes, that child completed a lesson and has shown me, or the lead teacher can share with you information. Some of the centers use Teaching Strategies Gold for this, which is a checklist, and it'll give you information on all of these skills. These are your word wall words. This should not be a surprise to you. This is only on one child of your choice in the age group that you're choosing. So it can be an infant and toddler if you're doing an infant toddler CDA, or it can be a preschool age child. Preschool is 3 years of age and up before kindergarten. So 3 to usually 5.5 years of age. Infant toddlers would be at least probably about 8 weeks of age. You have to have them in the center for a couple weeks before you'd be able to get some assessment information. So you're looking at a baby who's probably 3 months up until 2.5 years of age before they turn 3. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. You have the Ohio Development Resources. You should be able to connect with the lead teacher of the child that you pick, who has probably already done most of these assessments. There might be a few areas that they didn't get to, and you can explain based on, you know, the situation, you know, this is what you were able to find out, and these are some areas that you want to work on. You're not 100% sure if the child is able or not able to do those, but it's definitely something that needs to be assessed. Okay, so it's okay to be honest and explain what you have been able to assess on the child in the last 4 to 5 months, you and their lead teacher. Okay, so hopefully this helps. And I'll try to also take a picture of this and upload it with the video and post on Google Classroom. Okay, thanks.